How to fix Facebook not logging in. Hello everyone, wherever you are in this video, we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search for Facebook. Open the Facebook like this and scroll down, click on storage and go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click OK. And what you should do right now guys, you have to go to uh, like memory, or sorry, not memory, you have to go to battery and click on optimize it, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you another